Dear trader, in this video you will learn fundamental and technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, accurate entry points, ideas where you can trade it, and we're starting right now. At this moment I ask you to push like, subscribe and turn on the bell because you will get a lot of updates. Also, my name is Yuri, I top off on trading you, and remember why it's so important to subscribe and turn on the bell, because YouTube does not like to share crypto content with other traders, and when you will do it you will receive updates and will support our project. My friends, how we will build this lesson? First, there would be analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum. First would be Bitcoin, second will be Ethereum. First would be fundamental analysis, after that there would be technical analysis. Let's start. About fundamental analysis, I will share with you this data which I share with our VIP room members, as you can see in our Discord VIP room. As you can see here, first, my friend, I would like to share with you some data which will help you to understand what's going on at this moment. At this moment on Bitcoin, we have a few controversial data, because take a look. At this moment, percent balance on exchanges. Balance of Bitcoin on exchanges is dropping since March of previous year, and at this moment, as you can see, it dropped by nearly 25%. It's a lot. That means people withdraw Bitcoins from exchanges. For really powerful down drop, we need opposite situation. Second one, completely controversial signal. As you can see, last time entities new grow. As you can see, last time new accounts, amount of new accounts, as you can see, last time such amount were in before start of bear market. As you can see, at this moment also so many new retail traders come into Bitcoin, and my friends, it's a signal that so soon that would be finished. I personally think that there must be a culmination, because even on a chart you can see three waves, and I would like to share with you. The next one, as you can see, on previous bull market, as you can see, my friend, what's going on? On previous bull market, take a look on this data. Huge volume, price pullback, range, huge volume. After that, high volume increase and culmination. As you can see, it was a culmination. The same here, take a look, up price, volume increase, new up price, volume increase. And at this moment, what's going on? Is it a culmination or not? Let's go to another part. Take a look at this moment, amount of people who hold more than new accounts hold more than 35% of all Bitcoins. Remember, previous time when price hit 50% number, that was huge sell signal. As you can see, at this moment, I would wait for when this data, when this chart will hit 50% number, it would be a signal for start of new drop, because it would be a signal that whales sold their Bitcoins to new traders, and they would, because remember, if big guys bought Bitcoin at 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, they need someone who will buy it from them at bigger price, and that's why they would create something like that. Also, my friend, take a look. New accounts with non-zero balance. As you can see, so many new retail traders coming into the market. But take a look, accounts with balance more than 1,000 Bitcoin. As you can see, the amount of accounts is dropping. A lot of also take a look, accounts with balance 10,000 also dropping. That means big guys, really big guys, because 10,000 Bitcoins, it is 550 millions and more. They start selling part of their Bitcoins. That's why, remember, my friends, that at any time bull market can finish, because at this moment we have many data which show to us that market really overhot. That's why at this moment, what do I recommend to you? I will not share this data. It's about data about Ethereum. It would be second part. Let's come back to our chart and take a look what's going on at this moment. As you can see, at this moment, Bitcoin just bounced from this trend line and this local key level. And remember, if this at this moment I have two scenarios. First one I call painful. Second one I call happy Monday, happy day. Take a look. If that would be something like this, if price slowly will come back, will continue up price, and that would be local trend line, I will trade personally trend line breakout, because it is one of my favorite trading patterns. And if price will come back to this key level, will create beautiful pattern, I will trade breakout. Because at this moment I do believe that at this moment what I believe could happen to Bitcoin, I call it culmination, because at this moment, as you can see here, take a look, nearly the same cycle, price rehide, up price, and take a look, we are nearly in the same phase, in this place. And after that, what happened? Powerful up price, really fast and sharp up price, and with lower volume. The same here, I expect that there could be a sharp up price, even to 100k, and after that, price will start slowly dropping down. That's why at this moment I will trade this one. It is my first pattern for up price. Second idea would be if Bitcoin will make something like this. Because take a look, on previous time when Bitcoin made a pullback, take a look how many times they killed bulls. As you can see, bulls, they price dropped. Many people who open buy here, their stop losses. Also, a lot of people bought here. After that, price took their stop losses. Again, a lot of people bought here. After that, market again took stop losses of bulls. And again, 4 times, as you can see, market took stop losses of bulls. And only after that, trend line were created, price broke trend line and started beautiful uprise. That's why at this moment, I hope and I expect that there could be this pattern in 2 cases. First one, if that would be like this, and price will break, or there would be relow, and breakout. That's my 2 scenarios which I have on Bitcoin for next few weeks, my friends. And depends how many likes this video will get. If there would be at least 200 likes, I promise that I will record a video when about Bitcoin when that pattern will appear. That's why at this moment what I ask you to do first, below this video you will find a link on our Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe. Some of you interested in Cardano, there would be a link on Cardano. Watch that lesson. Also, my friend, a few days tomorrow, I will do free workshop for traders, how to build your strategy step by step, how to trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, accurate entry points, stop losses. There would be link below that workshop for free. When you will sign up, there would be few question answers because we are looking for traders who really interested in learning, not only some signals. Okay, I think we should go to Ethereum, second part of our lesson. Okay, about Ethereum, my friends, let's also check fundamental data, because after that you will understand far more about Ethereum. First one, take a look, number of addresses with more than 0 balance. As you can see, amount of addresses increased. Take a look here, addresses with more than 1 Ethereum also increasing. But take a look what's going on with addresses with more than 100 Ethereum. As you can see, when Ethereum broke its all-time high, this amount of addresses start dropping. Take a look what's going on with people with 1k addresses. As you can see, when price also started bull run, they starting selling their Ethereum. Only people with more than 10k addresses, as you can see, they add some Ethereum. But still, last few days, as you can see, they sold off. What does it mean, my friends? That average mid-term investors, they sell their Ethereums. Retail traders accumulate their Ethereums. And here, with huge possibility, this stuff, it calls it's miners, and I think it's staked Ethereum. That's the reason why there are a lot of Ethereum, because here when price started this rise, a lot of people staked the Ethereum, and I think that's the reason why that amount of money. That's why, my friend, what I can tell you, I think Ethereum also as Bitcoin need culmination. Only after that there could be some powerful down drop. That's why at this moment on Ethereum, let's do technical analysis. As you can see, Ethereum at this moment is inside in this triangle. Take a look. And at this moment, my friend, I have two scenarios, what I'll do, and what all of that scenarios I will share immediately into our VIP room as I did today. Take a look. Example for you of our yesterday Cardano trade. As you can see, I had a plan to trade Cardano. Take a look, price was at 1.18, and after that price dropped to 1.06, 11% within a few minutes. All of that stuff I share with VIP room members. That's why at this moment, remember that I would expect two things. First one, if there would be hit of this lower level, I would be happy to trade false breakout of this trend line with continue of up price. Or if price will come back to this trend line, will create trend line breakout pattern. In these both cases, I will trade Ethereum up. Still, I do believe that Ethereum should make culmination because after culmination there would be trend change. And remember that price still in this bull market, and this bull market still continues. It's far better at this moment to look for trade ideas into up price, but those trades must be accurate and good one, because it's not wise just to open a position for opening new position. That's why, my friend, at this moment, remember to watch our Cardano trading plan. There would be a link below. Subscribe on our free workshop and join our Telegram channel. Thank you for your time. See you next lessons. Goodbye.